Hey guys, welcome to our farm channel. What are we, Saturday morning here in Canterbury. It's a bit foggy today. I'm just out here doing the morning rounds, checking all the herds. Making sure they've got plenty of feed. Pretty relaxed here at Singletree in the weekends. We are doing a 10 and 7 milking routine, which basically means that we're milking twice a day, only 3 times a week. And then on the other days we are once a day. So we'll have cups on today at 10:30 in the morning. We're milking about 2,400 cows at the moment. What I'd like to do with these videos is basically open up the gates to the farm and show you guys what it's like to operate a large-scale dairy operation. So we milk 2,500 cows here at Peak. And we have a really awesome team that's doing the daily grind. So introduce you to our awesome team as well over the next few weeks and show you how the farm is run. So we've got Danvie here.
Yep.
So Danvie, you want to tell everybody what you're up to today?
I'm going to check the first herd, see if they need more breaks, and check the next break for tonight.
Awesome. So how many cows you got on the first herd?
660.
660 cows?
Yes.
Yeah, so Danvie is looking after our young herd at the moment, which is they're 2.5-year-olds.
Yep.
They're all pregnant. We scanned them last week.
Yes.
So yeah, Danvie, you're gonna get the cows in today?
Yep. Pretty good. Herd 1, herd 2, and herd 3.
Herd 1, herd 2, herd 3.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so we're running about 5 herds at the moment. Just under 700 in our first herd, which is predominantly 2.5-year-olds, young cows. Second herd about 600 cows, which are all 3-year-olds. Third herd, which is where we are now. So these are all basically mixed age cows. And then our fourth herd is mixed age as well, but after our scanning results last week, all of our empties are in our fourth herd, with the over-conditioned cows, so cows that are really fat at the moment. And then we've got our lighter cows on once a day in their own herd, just so that they can get a bit of extra attention. And we can keep an eye on them and make sure they're putting condition on over the next couple of months. So yeah, 5 herds, about 2,400 cows in total. So we've just found Maddie. So Maddie you've been with us for what, nearly 2 months?
Yeah, probably about that.
Yeah, so Maddie's straight out of university. So what are you up to today, Maddie? You're in here.
At the moment I'm setting up a break for herd 3.
Setting up a break for herd 3. So plenty of grass in this paddock. So Maddie's doing all the equations and making sure that these cows are going to get well fed before you're going to milk. What time are you milking today?
10:30.
10:30 in the shed. So Maddie's going to do first shift with Debs. So yeah, pretty relaxed, sun's shining. All in all pretty happy. Good morning, Jonah.
Yeah, good morning everyone.
What are you up to today, Jonah? You setting up a fence?
Yeah, I'm going to set up the fence now. I'm a herd.
So yeah, Jonah looks after our herd 2.
Yeah.
So he's going to go out now and set all the fences up for the next few days, and then Jonah's going to milk with me for second shift.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good.
Welcome to the Singletree Shed Hub. This is our main office. So this is where we hold a lot of our team meetings each week. And then this is our main sort of weekly routine roster that we use. So operating a farm this size and having so many team members, it's really important to have a good system that's going to create time efficiency and just keeping everyone updated with what's going on every day. So as you can see, today's Saturday, so everyone knows what the plan is, what they're rostered on to do, and it just helps keep things running smoothly. Our main shed PC here, so we use this to monitor a lot of our technology systems, cow collars, pasture, soil moisture meters, etc. So yeah. We've got Dibs and Maddie here just starting once a day cows. So these are the lightest cows that we've got on farm at the moment. I'm just going to go through and pick a few lame cows to get the manicure. So we've got 6 ladies to lift feet today. We're doing pretty well at the moment. We don't have too many lames. Yeah, fortunately we've got a pretty good team who are really good at picking them up nice and early, drafting them out, and then yeah, we're trying to. The main aim here is to try to treat them before they get too bad. So yeah, most of these girls are early stages of yeah, having a slightly sore feet, so I'll get them in to our cow crush here, lift them up nice and safely, and trim their feet, get them back out in the paddock, and they should be better in a few days' time. old girl here, so she's just had a small stone in between her toes. So what I've done is I've removed that stone, trimmed up her hoof so it's nice and flat, so she's going to be a lot better when she walks out. So this wee girl here, she's had a stone between her claws, and even though we picked it up reasonably early, she's just starting to develop a bit of an infection between her claws. So what we'll do with her is she'll get a course of antibiotics, get separated from the herd, and spend some time recovering in our penicillin milk. So this milk will get discarded each day while she's having her treatments, and she'll be better in a few days' time once the antibiotics start to kick in. Alright, so that's 6 lane cows trimmed for today. So as you can see, they're walking a lot better already, apart from that girl on the right hand side. She had a nasty stone between her toes, so sometimes those ones walk out looking a little bit worse than when they walked in. But they'll spend a good week in our once a day mob, resting up, and they'll definitely look a lot better in a couple of days. So I'm just about to head home for lunch, but I'm just going to go for a bit of a walk through herd 3, see how they're looking. As you can see, they're reasonably happy. These girls will come in for milking in about 20 minutes, so they've left a bit of grass behind. We'd like to sort of graze to a bit of a lower residual than what's here, so what we'll do is put these girls back in here to clean up for a couple of hours before getting a fresh break after that. So yeah, so guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed having a bit of a look into what it's like on a large scale dairy operation of this size. 2,500 cows, over 600 hectares of farmland. It's a pretty large operation. Yeah, if you'd like to see more of these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope to bring out a video each week. Yeah, the main purpose for these videos is to just give you a bit of a snapshot of what it's like on the day-to-day on this big farm. But really the main reason is to highlight our awesome team. We have a really good team here, and without the people that are on the farm every day, the place would be an absolute shambles. So we're really fortunate to have a good team, and looking forward to introducing you to each and every one of them over the coming months. So we'll see you next week.